Welcome to your heart-centered meditation. The intention for this meditation is to help you get out of your head so that you can stop overthinking, stop doubting yourself, and stop the thoughts of fear and worry dead in their tracks and connect into your heart space so you can connect in with your truth and inner wisdom. So to get started, you can sit in a seated position, close your eyes, and start taking some nice deep breaths. Allowing your rib cage to expand with each inhale and contract with each exhale. And on the next inhale, I want you to visualize your breath going down past your lungs and into your belly, filling up your belly, and then slowly filling up your lungs. And on the exhale, releasing, starting from your lungs and moving down your belly, pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Allowing your body to relax and just noticing any thoughts you have going through your head without judgment, honoring them, allowing them to just be. And next, I want you to put your hands over your heart space and bring your awareness down into your heart so that you can feel your heart beating. As you connect in with your heart, I want you to notice what you feel. You're tapping into this place of unlimited possibilities, a feeling of expansion, the feeling of being embraced by a warm, motherly, energy. Notice how there are no more thoughts running through your head. It's completely silent. And that's because you're connected in with your heart space. You're connected in to your truth and your inner wisdom. Taking a moment to marinate in this beautiful feeling. Feeling yourself being nourished and filled up with love. And when you're ready, you can go ahead and bring your awareness back into the space that you're sitting in, and you can go ahead and open your eyes.